Hello, Brian. So the truck is ready to go. Currently has 29,743 miles. We cleaned the interior, put the camera, so it starts up. No codes, no issues. Let's walk around. So all the lights work. Let me put the strobe lights on. So this side is completely brand new, the door and the side panel. And this side we salvaged the door. We salvaged the side panel but had to make a new door. Tires are all matching tires in the back. This tire is brand new. Just one. The three of them are used, but they're in a good shape. Aluminum tank. You have two brand new batteries. Front tires are in great shape as well. A lot of thread in it. So let's look inside. Yeah, we painted the hopper and the cover. Put a new fluid in here. As far as the equipment, we put a new Teflon tape on the fittings to make sure they don't leak. Clean the filters. New Teflon tape there. New, what's called flow switch. So the filling hose is here. We run the wires. Two fuses. So burners, they are being inspected. Well, first of all we painted the covers, painted the frame. We put a new thermostats, 1 and 2. What else? Yeah, the oil level is good. And yeah, for the straps, so the original straps were made of aluminum, and they angle here, so they usually fly away in accident. So we made a custom 2.5-inch metal strap bolted down to the flatbed. I guess a new gas struts and a new air fittings. So the hopper and the lifter. You have a brand new remote control by Pierce. So look at this. I mean, it works great. So hopper looks new. We got 2 inserts. We painted the frame. We painted the bottom frame, cleaned the flatbed, and of course we did the lifter, I would say, refurbish. Okay, so as you can see, it has all new paint. Oh, I forget to put the stickers on it. I'm gonna put it tomorrow. So we put a nice hose covers for all hoses and a shrink wrap. And we put our custom made pins in it. So they're made of stainless steel. They don't have a fitting Zerks, but I believe that you don't need to Zerk them. So look at how it started. That doesn't go anywhere. It's very, very sturdy, like brand new. So go up and down. Stops right away, doesn't hit the hopper, and again doesn't shake like some of my old hoppers or some of my old lifters. Here we got 2 brand new gauges, brand new, all 4 brand new ball valves, high lock. Well, and yeah, the spray one. So I put a Sutner 2305 spray van and 2-inch 2-foot Sutner lens on it. I'm still waiting for your 4012 tip. I'm gonna put it here once I get it. Original reel wheels, so it was kind of all beat up, so we cleaned and painted. Looks new again, as you can see. So the drain wheels on the right side, as you can see, they're in good shape. 100-foot hose. I put the storage fitting here. Good door, second door. Well, all look new and clean. We put a new alarm magnets here. So yeah, let me show you how the PTO works. Oh, and the alarm as well. So if you start the vehicle, you'll see this alarm. I'll close it, and it's gone. It's gone. So either here or there. yeah, AC works, ball's cold, drives great, no issues. So at this point, the truck is ready. I'm just waiting for the title to come. It should be within next, I would say, I don't know, week and a half probably. I will just put it in storage for now. So